Now notice the miner's running. It's very hot coming out of the front. Got our green status light on. I connected the lap dock. So let's reboot and let's go into the BIOS. And we're going to hit F12 or the delete key. Take us into the BIOS. So we're going to do firmware settings. And we'll just go down the list and we'll do our BIOS settings here for the BIOS tune. So the first thing you want to do is advanced, and I have to use the keyboard. The mouse doesn't seem to work. CPU configuration. I'm going to disable both of these. Escape. Onboard devices. Basically disabling everything. Escape. Hardware monitor, go down the CPU fan. CPU fan full speed, instead of 94C, we're going to do full speed at 70C. Escape. AMD CBS. FCH. Power loss, and we want to auto restart. Because this miner will restart when the power is restored. Now we want AMD CBS. SMU common options. Smart shift control manual. And then we want all of these. Here's going to be our watts. 46.5 watts. That says milliwatts. 46,500. 46,500. 46,500. Escape. Escape. Go to the bottom. AMD overclocking. Accept. Infinity Fabric. DDR options. Timing. Active memory timing settings enabled. And we're doing 4,000. Escape. Infinity Fabric and dividers. Do that at 1333. And then that'll be U clock equals mem clock. Escape. Escape. Precision boost overdrive. And do advanced. So here's where we're setting our limits. So the motherboard. CPU boost clock override positive. So it's going to do the watts based on the voltage that we're setting and the clock. And we're going to go up to 200 megahertz for boost. This will be negative. All cores, negative. Now this thing right here, this is your under voltage. And try 30 first, and if you didn't do very well in the silicon lottery, you would do 25 or 20. And I got one miner I got to run at 20. And you lose a little bit of hash rate, but you end up being stable. So this is your stability setting right here, how far you're undervolting. So we'll start at 30 and then we'll see if it's not stable. You'll know in a couple minutes the miner is going to end up dying on you and the machine will either lock up or reboot. Let's escape. And that's it. Let's save and exit. So this miner is already crashing. So 30 is not going to work. I'm going to go to 25. Since the miner crashed, I'm going to go to 20 rather than 30. Let's go back to the firmware settings. Advanced, overclocking, precision boost overdrive, curve optimizer, and let's do 20.